If you are wondering if Google Pixel 9a has overheating issues, then the answer is unfortunately yes. I've been playing a game for a short while, like a couple of minutes only, and the phone managed to get hot really quickly. It's not even warm, it's pretty hot actually. It overheats like crazy actually, I believe. Especially the frame is really hot. The screen itself is hot as well, so it's definitely a worrying trend by Google, because I know that other Pixel devices tend to also overheat. But this one is actually truly overheating, so even performing some simple tasks can get the phone a bit warmer. So unfortunately we have to keep in mind that the phone gets hot, not even warm, but hot, like I said, pretty quickly, especially if we do demanding tasks on the phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!